Every day, your body runs the largest supply chain on Earth. No trucks, no factories, just food, fluids, and 37 trillion cells waiting to be fed. Miss one delivery, and the entire city begins to shut down. Inside your body, a vast city of 37 trillion cells depends on a single, critical system to stay alive: the digestive system. This system is the city's grand entrance gate, processing plant, and supply highway all at once. Every day, roughly a kilogram of solid food and nearly 2 litres of liquid arrive at the borders of this biological metropolis as raw materials far too large and complex for any cell to use. The digestive system takes over immediately, breaking food apart through mechanical forces at the mouth and chemical reactions as enzymes pour in like highly trained factory workers. As this mixture moves through a nearly 30-foot-long transit tunnel called the gastrointestinal tract, it is gradually dismantled into tiny nutrient molecules. These molecules are small enough to pass through intestinal walls and enter the bloodstream, where they are shipped to trillions of waiting cells across the body. The main digestive organs function like specialized industrial zones: the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine each perform a precise step in the supply chain. Supporting them are powerful accessory systems: the teeth, tongue, salivary glands, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder, acting as factories, storage facilities, and control centers that release enzymes, regulate chemicals, and fine-tune digestion. In this living city, digestion is not just about eating. It is the essential infrastructure that transforms food into energy, separates nutrients from waste, and keeps all 37 trillion cells powered, coordinated, and alive. Without this system, the city would starve in minutes. Cells would lose energy, repairs would fail, and communication would break down.